Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to Samantha by Dave. So it's the same riff that repeats in different types of ways throughout the entire track. So what you just heard in the preview was the intro, and that's also how you play the chorus part as well. We're going to actually have a look at the left hand first. So if you feel comfortable playing octaves, but if not, just play singular notes. What you're first going to play in the left hand are F sharp low octaves. Obviously the lowest F sharp is out of shot. And then you're going to come up and play D octaves, C sharp octaves, and then A's, G sharps, and then you're going to come up and play an F sharp minor inversion, which is A, C sharp, and F sharp. So that first bit in the left hand will go 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the first part of the left hand. So let's have a look at the right hand. So you're going to play an inversion of F sharp minor with the right hand. So here's middle C for reference, and we're forming the chord in the octave below. So we have C sharp, F sharp, and A. So this is the first inversion of F sharp minor. So you're going to hold that 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have this higher F sharp. So again, here's middle C. So it's the second F sharp above middle C, and you're going to flick from the E to the F sharp, and then E, and then we're going to come to the A and flick from the A to the C sharp, and then land on the B. And you're going to flick to the B to the C sharp, B, A, B, B to C sharp, A, B, B to C sharp. So I'll just do that bit again slowly. So I'm going to put that with the left hand now, and this makes up the first part. So we've got the F sharp minor, the next part. So the right hand is doing almost the same thing. So we have instead. I'll do that again. And the left hand is now going to be playing chords. So we have a D major inversion, which is A, D, and F sharp. And then you're going to play a C sharp major chord inversion, which is G sharp, C sharp, and E sharp, which is an F. And then you're going to play the octaves, A's, G sharps, and then come up to that F sharp minor again. So I'll just do that in the left hand again. So I'm just going to fit that second part together now, and then I'll join it in from the beginning. So from the beginning. The next section, the left hand is going to play Ds, C sharps, and then A's, G sharps, and then F sharps octaves. And in the right hand, if you can stretch it, it's a D major chord, a full D major chord, in the first inversion, which is F sharp, A, D, F sharp. So you try and use your fourth finger, and then you're going to bring that octaves to E's, just singular E's, and then we have an inversion of C sharp major, which is F, G sharp, C sharp, and F. And then we're going to play, so there first played C sharp, G sharp, and B, and then C sharp, F sharp, A. So like this. So I have to get my hand really high up because my camera is there. So I'll just do that right hand chord part again. So I'm going to put that bit together now. So now I'm going to play it from the very beginning and join those three sections together. And the last bit is almost like the first bit, so going back to the D's in the left hand and then back to and the left hand drops out after it plays a C sharp, and then it'll be into the first verse. So I'm going to very slowly play that all the way through now. So again, this is the intro, this is also the chorus. So throughout the verses, they're a bit more sporadic, in no kind of pattern or particular order. It's just repeating like sections of the chorus in the verse, whether it's just repeating the octaves bass part, or if it's repeating this part. Then every now and then it will play a so it's just a matter of listening to the verses and seeing what's going on and then picking out which part that is of the verse and then putting that together. Or if you're learning this to sing or rap over it, and then you could have a play around with which sections you'd like to repeat in your cover or version of it. So I hope that's been useful and I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please give the video a like and subscribe if you are brand new here. Check out my other Dave piano tutorials. I actually find what he writes quite interesting on the piano. If you would like to leave a song request, please go see the comment section of this video where I have left a link. If you click on that link, it takes you through to my official request space. There you can request any song you want. All requests are noted and considered, but not guaranteed. Thank you to everyone who supports me on Patreon and other avenues. You guys are awesome. It's really, really appreciated. If you'd like to showcase what you have learnt using one of my tutorials, upload a video of you playing it to YouTube. It doesn't have to be the whole thing, just be like, you know, even a 30-second snippet. Hashtag the video, show Bitesize Piano, so I can find it and then I can feature you in my showcase videos. So I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye!